police ni be catch say men twa o tie ni ye Ghana police ni ya yesi ko bo galamsey ho ban no obe catch say mani ntwa no mpesa nkomoche na nakwa medi akona ne anke kura nke bebutu ono wo ye youth president who ni ma catch o ye president.
Then it's a problem. That is what Osu was trying to say in front of me, chairman, and all of this. Chairman has worked with gold mines for 11 years. His whole life he has dedicated into mining. But on one kasa, onya chansa, obetimi aye onwa adwuma and ase the business. E dey assure the family. Here you see adedo. E ko for problem timba no mu jusu yen. Yen so ayembo yen krofo mo mu nya adwuma. Omu adwuma na omo omu tu galamsey ni so a umpe kwan bia wo de be kire omu seneti a omu be save land no omu save yen so. No omu say no because police were protected. Minister for excavator and a chief one so eji omu share. And we are destroying the country.
Now unim no Ghana police omo ye the custodians of our law. Sabi no mutimi enforce law no by catch and say massa entwade no. Hey Ghana bone ye pepapa bone ye we. It be say galamsey fight no fight ben ye ko. Ubu wona ukọ police say o me hu galamsey fo bi no more free galamsey fo say momonye ntem na mu fie o na nkofo ne ba. Unimo. That is how the Ghana police force some of them are behaving. Make sure say Ghana for be wu ye wia na ye de sika tua oka ya me be tua oka ye wia ye sika no ene ye de tua oka unima ye sika na ye de tua oka.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mawaka baba Xposed GH batch FM member so subscribe mame me de two mpe na wano asi wasom yera nana kwa mediako galamsey fight no we're taking a different level of course sites bi anwumre no do ho na no ye just inspection no police ni be catch say mentwa o tie ni ye Ghana police ni ya yesi ko bo galamsey ho ban no obe catch say mani ntwa no mpesa nkomoche na nakwa medi akona ne anke kura nke bebutu ono wo ye youth president who ni ma catch o ye president na asem no make say how enu ti na galamsey atu ntwa da no ye go video ni mra.
These are the boys, the galamsey boys. They're not running from me. I'm going to take you in there and you're going to see what is happening. You can see excavator work at night. You cannot close this. You can only negotiate with these people and build them up again and save the nation. But if today Ghana police stands here and say they will arrest people because they have come to a land that belongs to Ghana, this land does not belong to anyone privately from outside. You can call the company whatever they're called, whatever they're only leasing, and they're supposed to return the land back to us the way we gave it to them. They're not supposed to close it and dig the pits and have all of these young people in there mining all night just to find something small to feed yourself. You're buying that kind of crap. And come now, and come over Juma, and come on tea and you may say, so much Juma. Now, police are I am one and I'm looking out say, Obira Muba arrested. This should change in Ghana. This should not happen. The police, and this goes to even the heads of police, the IGPs and your generals and all of that. You people should understand that you have appointed people to guide people to destroy the country and destroy the water. That you, the policeman, your job is to make sure that you stand and protect the place from being eradicated and destroyed. But if innocent people walked in, then it's a problem. That is what Osu was trying to say in front of me, chairman, and all of this. Chairman has worked with gold mines for 11 years. His whole life, he has dedicated into mining. But on one kasa, onya chansa, obetimi aye onwa adwuma and ase the business. E dey assure the family. Here you see adedo. E ko for problem timba no mu jusu yen. Yen so ayembo yen krofo mo mu nya adwuma. Omu adwuma na omo Omu tu galamsey ni so a umpe kwan bia wo de be tro omu senesi a omu be save land no omu save enso no omu say no because police will protect ministers for auto excavator and a chief one so eji omu share and we are destroying the country. This should not happen. Go to Accra and see how many people are on the road protesting because the water is not good. It's destroyed. Yes, so your farm, the BBSA, Coco, BBSA. Now my bahana my raha. Policeman be say, or bet you only him send a chinipa. Uncle Accra, Uncle Kumasi, Uncle other places, no Uncle Chinipa, Sasani Chinipa. That is why I am saying what I'm saying. And where are the people who have called our own people to come here? Oh my. Why not I see where any there? Omutite. I prefer Omutita now. Obia or Galamsey, Nibia or how to assassin. Maybe Choma Sasso. Obia or how to assassin Hana. Ah? I do man moya, me boy. Say protect him and moya Jumano. Munkasa, come here and talk to me. I want some of you. Don't be cowards. Come in here. Mumbra. Messi Matos as if you are Matos Cabeta Yohana. Don't force it. One amount power, and you'll be there protecting more. As a second of one who said, I didn't see a Cromano. And yet, some Mukramo Penamodian and Modiano. Name institutions, the government institutions is the cause of this. They are the cause of this. Now, police will be running once I see so. But I have because the kind of people who say you make a crown. Galamsey and Koso. No, I will move out in my own time, please. Chairman, please, with all due respect.
Nobody's sacking you.
And nobody can say that.
Nobody's sacking you.
Let them right now.
What's in there? Nana Kwame can say, I hate for Namunya machines no. Land where what to land nana, or say there be. It is when the more permission said by ye Juma waha. Or say meaning. Now him, air no Ghana police are almost yet the custodians of our law. Ah, sabi no to me enforce law no or by catching some massa and chardy no. Hey, Ghana, bonnet. Ye papa. Bonnet. Hey, wait. It be sound say Galamsey fight no fight ben ye kon. Because the very people sabi bet me enforce law no. Ye deep in Galamsey. Kwati chop money wo ho. Metro another video. Kwati chop money. Galamsey for come say police commanders ne beje chop money wo mo edi. Eti Galamsey na koso na ye ni abre no. That is why they have the nerve to come and say mumpo ye be Galamsey. Na we me pesa me kan asem ye na me kapa me ka say bambru senye. Ka me ye obibi, me ye obibi aka ho. So don't be ameko. But the thing is that it is serious. Eti police for and you munina because I know good policemen. The IGP is a good man. But the incorporation sen omo ya man bofo ebinem. Omo bomb money asabi they as if there's no tomorrow. And they are happy with it because they have the law on their side. Because anka wona say wo chamo ye chira oni ponoko ubu wana ukọ police station say o me hu Galamsey for bi no more frag Galamsey for say monye ntemna mu fie o na nkofo na ba unimo. That is how the Ghana police force, some of them are behaving. I'm making sure say Ghana for me woo ye near the secret tuauka ya me be tuauka ye sika no and ye di tuauka unima ye sika ne di tuauka nti ba se ewu a nyam no be tuauka tina bebre wu no jabga be wu me kwa another video anyinem just close to anyinem omu to Galamsey yes commander near away yakwa video number
station. Just some 5-minute walk from the police station, illegal miners have redirected the course of the Brim River. Many of the residents are worried about the impunity with which illegal miners have taken over water resources in the community. One of them, who was willing to speak, shared his frustrations with us.
This is Enyinem, and behind me is the Enyinem police station. Now, this is what has become the subject of discussion of late. behind this police station, about 200 meters, you will find an illegal mining site, which looks abandoned. But ahead of me, that is ahead of the Enyinam police station, about 100 meters from here, there are a lot of mining sites, illegal mining sites, lining the Brim River, which is just here to this direction. So I'm going to go over there, and we're going to film and show you the number of mining sites we have ahead of the Enyinam police station.
President in Sunu, almost in Sunama in Sunu, a broken one, in fact, having and there's a former ultimate and for gallon. Tell us what to put on another call is a fool. And yet, a man abandons and made a guassi. I was sending man who.
I video me the video waiting for a purpose. Because what it be, we have to know, say, baby a year corner. Sabe, the very people who are supposed to protect us, they are in deep into Galamsey. Now we are yes, I am for no, ya disika kwa bomo palace. I am for no be. Aye, makacha mo say Galamsey betwa ejina ya law enforcer ejina even the government so ya himfo. Ena so for na bi kwa jibi osi o wu kwa Galamsey me bompa ya ma oba no be too tight. Asofo ni bi ya in the name of God ni ekuyen. Ananim asofo ni bi yo. Eti wonim wo a wujira wo a wo hwe me paucho. Sa wudwen Ghana ho sep dakrupo a enya police pone ba ka se jai. Wo a wuti community mu a sep Galamsey koso no wo ankasa be your own policeman. Uko Sweden e wo ho. Omo your own police, they can come and arrest you. And I support fully the youth no mo kromo almost she machines no. Enya machines no na omo she. Wo mo China for them ma. Because China ni a wo kromo nsuo ye na be say we ye fa ncha oboa o ye foreigner. Deal with them. I'm telling you. Ultimate mesega na kro and then you go scot free. Now police for this patrol IGP meaning say you are clean. But patrol o commanders no kro bia ye Galamsey wo ho no commander no sack the person. Mo yes Ghana will change. Sack the person. Say yetimi the evidence but say ye Galamsey wo kro mu na commander ni so onim kwa sack no because the duty is to know who a security person na who nima wa bon ese yi wadi. Enti wo ya commander wo any mining area a woti wo hwe han no IGP dampare me said that me say sack them, we will support you and we will face them for you. I Xposed GH o han makane enka o subscribe mame e tumpa wanya bia hwe ono ase.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.